Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Scott and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. And today we are featuring the May 2023 Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler unboxing. I can't wait for you to join me. Welcome back! I'm so excited to do this unboxing with you. I just got this in the mail a couple days ago after finishing editing the April 2023 box. By the way, you guys, this is not a sponsored video. I do pay for all my Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler boxes. It's an extremely good value at about $29 plus shipping and tax. My box here in Wisconsin comes to around $36. You usually get about $59 to $70 worth of product in each box, filled with quilting notions, sometimes thread, patterns, and some amazing quilt fabric. Let's check to see what we've got for May 2023. I'm so excited it came so fast. The theme for this month's Sew Sampler subscription box is the sweetest thing. So let's check it out. Usually you always get one of these little leaflets at the top giving you the theme, and on the other side there is a coupon code for layer cakes. I can't share the code with you because this code is only for subscribers, but it adds a lot of value to the box when you get these codes. Let me tell you, they are wonderful. 20% off layer cakes. You have a limit to 3, but that's a lot of layer cakes, and that's almost 3 quilts. It's a good deal. You also get this really cool leaflet that explains everything in the box with prices and descriptions. It's really cool. They do this box so well, and I really think it's worth every penny, you guys. All right, let's check the first item, shall we? The first item in this box is an item from Clover, Pistachio Sweet and Sharp Macaron. We love the Pistachio Sweet and Sharp Macaron by Clover for so many reasons. It's magnetic to keep track of those loose needles and pins. And the creamy center is made of a cotton nylon blend that sharpens and polishes as you gently insert and pull your needle out a few times. There's a little diagram on the back that shows you the instructions on how that works. Let's take a look at it. Clover does have some of the coolest notions. So this is super cute. How innovative is this? So this is a macaron, basically a French macaron. It says it's got a magnet on it, so let's check it out. Boop. There it is. So the magnet's on one side, and then apparently when you push the pin on the inside and you move it in and out a little bit, it sharpens that pin point. So if you want to sharpen your pins, if you have some really nice sewing needles you want to sharpen, this is a really great option. What a cool notion to put in a box, and how cute is that? The value of this super cute macaron notion by Clover is $10.98. So the second item in this box is the Antique Gold Thread Cutter Pendant. Accessorize your love of quilting. The Antique Gold Thread Cutter Pendant by Clover is a clever jewelry piece that features a steel blade for thread cutting that is protected by a beautiful zinc covering. You can thread and wear it for quilting on the go, or place it upright in a thread spool at your sewing station. Most of our sewing machines nowadays have thread cutters, unless you have like an older featherweight or an older Singer. For those people, this would be a really great idea. However, I saw a really good tip online. So we're gonna take it out and try mounting it into a spool of thread. I have seen these in the stores before, always wondered about it. It's really cute. So it's see if I can get it to focus there. Cool. And then of course, here's a spool of rayon thread that I haven't used in a long time. When I do embroidery, I use mostly polyester, but I have a little collection of rayons, so let's see. We'll put that in the top. Oh, how cute is that? When you do some chain piecing, you can go ahead and then cut your chain pieces right on the spool as it sits on your table, like that. That's kind of cool, isn't it? I think I could get some use out of that. The value of this Antique Gold Thread Cutter Pendant by Clover is $7.74. The third item in this box. Wow, you guys, there's lots of notions in this box. I love it. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for listening to us. I know I just mentioned this in my last video. We've always talked about wanting to get more thread. And look at what we got. We got 2 spools of Mettler cotton silk finish thread. Keep your sewing machine fed with this high quality thread from Mettler. Sample with 50 weight 100% cotton thread from one of the most trusted brands in the world for your most cherished quilts. The value of these 2 spools of Mettler thread are $6.96. So it comes in 2 neutral hues. I know a lot of us quilters out there use Aurifil, and I usually use Aurifil Color 2021, which is a warm white, and most of the time I use Color 2000. Color 2000 is by far my most favorite color. It's neutral, it blends with just about anything. I do keep a gray spool and a black spool around, but these are my 2 favorite Aurifil colors, and they very much match the 2 Mettler threads. So this would be great for traveling or going on a retreat, or maybe it'd be a really great gift for somebody, but we can always use thread in our stash. Don't you agree? And another item in this box, which is a bonus according to Fat Quarter Shop. It's worth $5.98. It's a set of 2 nail files, and they are styled after the Featherweight collection. Really cute. You got cute little sewing notions on it. Very cute. Now every single Fat Quarter Shop box has a quilt along block. This would be month 2 of the quilt along, and it is Pressed Flowers Quilt Along, block number 2. The Pressed Flowers Quilt Along is in full bloom. This garden-themed quilt by Fat Quarter Shop features Sugarberry by Bunny Hill Designs for Moda Fabrics, and it will bring some fresh cut flair that you can keep forever. Look for the Pressed Flowers Quilt Kit at fatquartershop.com. So this is a pattern that you get each month, and at the end of the 12th month, you'll get the whole pattern to finish the quilt. That's why it's a quilt along, and it will be super cute. I think this pattern is going to be fun. And by the way, you guys, this pattern is retailed at $4.98. The other wonderful thing you get in this kit is a fantastic pattern designed by the Fat Quarter Shop. When they make patterns, the layouts are super easy to follow. And this one is really cute. It is called Mi Casa Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. Home is where the heart is, and there is no sweeter feeling than being at home. The Mi Casa quilt celebrates that sentiment with a lovely pieced house block centering in a big star. Try this design with the Fruit Cocktail Junior Layer Cake in this month's box. What I do like is it tells you exactly what you need, and on the back, it shows that you get the pre-cut, which we're going to look at in just a moment, gives you ideas for binding and backing, and it also tells you the amount of fabric that you're going to need. This quilt will finish at 58.5 by 58.5. It's a really cute pattern, and this one is definitely designed for beginners. And this pattern is valued at $9.98. Okay, what we've been waiting for, right? And this is some fabulous fabric by Fig Tree. Mi Casa Fruit Cocktail Junior Layer Cake. Nothing is naturally sweeter than a fruit cocktail collection by Fig Tree. Quilts for Moda Fabrics, vibrant summer blues, reds, yellows, greens, and oranges are sprinkled with flowers, berries, and other fruits. Enjoy this specially curated junior layer cake with plenty of sewing and sunshine. Wow, doesn't that make us happy? I feel good after reading that. Let's go ahead and look at this fabric. Oh, it's so good to feel Moda fabric in your hands. Okay, let's see if we can get through the colors in here. So I love this periwinkle blue on the front. And then we have, there's the red. Oh, so pretty. You know what I love about this fabric? As I keep opening it, it reveals lots of cherries. There's cherries in this print, which is really neat. There's some flowers. Oh, there's some berries. It did say there were berries in there. Cute. Ah, there's some cherries. You guys know I'm from Wisconsin. If you haven't been to Door County, you need to go to Door County. It's cherry land up there. Oh, and there's some cherries with a blue background, and cherries with a light mint green background, and some cherries with a light yellow background. And we have some navy with some flowers. It's a very classical quilt pattern. I think this would really appeal to people who like more traditional but fun bright color quilts. But what's cool about a pattern like this is that if you do like modern quilting, you can still make it work with the bright colors. So pretty. I like the colorways. And oh, that lime green. Love the lime green. Now, a whole layer cake generally makes a whole quilt, but this particular pattern in this box, it only requires a half a layer cake. A half a layer cake would make like a nice wall hanging, maybe a baby quilt, also a table runner. Some really great projects you can do with these half layer cakes. The value of this wonderful junior jelly roll from Fat Quarter Shop is $22.48. And who doesn't like fig tree quilts? They have some really cool designs. I think layer cakes are my favorite pre-cuts. I have grown to love jelly rolls, but I find that you get a little bit more material to work with in a layer cake, and it becomes more creative fun. As a beginner quilter, I find it really intimidating to walk in a quilt shop and choose my own fat quarters. This is already picked out for me, and I love the colors, and this would be a really great project. Before I wrap up here, let's go over some of the items I think are going to be very valuable. I obviously love the fabric from Fig Tree. In this cute little macaron is so cute for sharpening your needles. Don't use it for your sewing machine needles, just use it for hand stitching needles and pins. Always replace your sewing machine needles, don't sharpen them. And then of course this cool little clover thread cutter. Nice, I like it. I think that will actually work well. And of course the thread. I'm really into the thread. I always can use more thread. Metler is one of my favorite threads next to Aurifil. And the pattern. The pattern, you guys, is really cool. I'm blocking the light here. And the pattern looks really cool. All right, yay! So, what do you guys think? Is the May 2023 Sew Sampler box a hit? I think it is. I really love the value in this box. I can't believe it almost came to $70. The value of this box came to $69.10. I paid with tax and shipping a total of $36. What a great deal. And we're getting some amazing patterns, some great fabric, and the notions in this box were great. And thank you, Fat Quarter Shop, for giving us thread. I love it. I want to see more thread. We always need to have thread in our stash, especially cotton thread, for those of us that are starting in quilting. I highly recommend this subscription. Remember, all you have to do is go to fatquartershop.com, locate the subscription tab, find the Sew Sampler box, reserve it for 99 cents. Within 2, 3, 4 weeks, Fat Quarter Shop should send you an email inviting you in to come in and join the subscription box. It's a really great system, and I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do. Well, thanks everybody. I really appreciate you joining me on this wonderful camping, quilting, hiking, nature, photography journey. I know I've been doing a lot of unboxings lately. That will change very soon because next week I am doing one of my first seasonal quilt camp retreats. It's only going to be a couple days, but it's going to be a lot of fun. I have a specific Fat Quarter Shop project in mind that I will be working on while I'm there, and you will be joining me if you come back to see me on my YouTube channel. Remember, if you like what you see today, give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I love it when you leave comments here on my YouTube channel as well. If you want to follow me on social media, on Instagram, I am the Quilting Camper. On Facebook, I'm Stamping Scott. I'd also really like it if you follow me on my new blog. It's just about a year old. It's thequiltingcamper.com. There you're going to find out all about my adventures, products that I like to try, places I like to go visit that I want to share with you. So thank you so very much for joining me today. I really hope you liked this month's box like I did, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Yay! Let's open it up. So the theme for this box this year, okay, something just fell out. So the theme for this month's Sew Sampler is The Sweetest Thing, May 2023. That was a movie, wasn't it? It's kind of a naughty movie. It was a funny movie, but I wouldn't recommend anybody watching that movie unless they're ready for it. And the creamy center is made of a cotton nylon blend, blah, 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 and blah, 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 blah. You guys remember Peanuts the teacher? Wah, 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 wah. That's how I feel when I read these scripts. Alright, let's try that again. And it is, I don't know what it's called. I don't know what it's called. Do you care if you know what it's called? I don't know. Oh, it doesn't have a name. Well, that's nice. So on my YouTube channel, if you could leave thumbs below, that would really be awesome because I like your thumbs. Mint macaron. That's Stampin' Up. It does look like mint macaron, doesn't it? And this is a rotisserie chicken. I'm just kidding. And this is... Woohoo! Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.